Hey there guys, it's Shadow Jippy here, and today we are playing PUBG. Could've swore I put the mask on, hold up. And now it's locked. Whatever. But today we are playing PUBG, and I heard that now they put emotes in it, so it's like, yeah, so we're playing PUBG today, so, but, yeah, this is solo. No, this is solo. I just hope that I win. So, alright, today I'm going to be doing a double upload. Just saying. I'm going to be doing a double upload. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There it is. Alright, so I'm just gonna wait for the match, just that. So while we're doing that, let's go ahead and punch people. Suck on that. Oh! Oh god. No! What the heck? This is so mean. Huh? I don't know what's going on. Energy drink. Alright, let me drink. Oh yeah, probably like later on when I'm playing PUBG, I'm probably gonna play with my friends. Yeah. Oh yeah, we are getting more subscribers. That's one thing I noticed. I did not put a parachute, but whatever. Now this is gonna be slow. Someone's already there. Oh, freak. People, they usually go to the city. Whatever. Let's go. Come on. Come on! Come on! Can you please get down? Come on. Making parachute is so slow. Oh, come on, we can make it. Come on, we can make it. Oh, is that someone? Oh, wait, that's not no. We good. Oh my god. A parachute. Oh, freak. Alright, let's go. Come on, run. Alright, let's go. Finally down. Do not put it on freaking auto. That is so annoying. Only take the stuff that you need. Don't start taking everything, or else you run out of space. So we have a shotgun. Oh, I am lagging. Come on. Ooh, let's go. Oh, there's a smoke grenade. That's important. You always need grenades. Wait, but we need more stuff than that. Oh my god. Controls. Oh, someone's already getting shot. Someone is already getting shot. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm like... Okay. I'm sorry, what I was gonna say, I'm sorry if I'm like so quiet. It's because I'm like so focused right now. Like trying to focus. So yeah. Right. Oh, let's go. Okay, so that sounds really oh. Oh freak, no. Cricket. God dang. Come on. Yeah, so I am gonna be doing a double upload. Not enough space? Are you serious? Already don't have enough space. Oh, come on. Okay, let's get out of here. Let me get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay, so people probably are sniping. Because anytime you're in like in the city, they start sniping. So I might want to be careful. Anywhere I go. Because they could literally snipe me. Oh, I thought I saw a motorcycle. On the motorcycles, hopefully they fix it. Because anytime I would take a motorcycle, oh my god. It was so bad. Literally, like, I'll be flipping everywhere. Alright, so let's go. Oh! Someone's here. Oh, freak. Go! Well, I don't know why my character stopped. Come on, go. Stop! Come on. Oh my god, my character is just stopping. Oh my god, this is gonna be so annoying. Yeah, this is gonna be so annoying. Okay, I think it's fixed. Oh god, let's go. Oh my god. This is gonna be so annoying. What is my character doing? There you go. I don't have to hold it. I have won sometimes, but I feel like this one I'm not gonna win. I don't know, I just have a feeling. But one thing we need is a car. Any kind of cars? Any kind of cars? Hello? Oh! Can we use that car? It looks like... No, we cannot. No, we can't use this car. Dang it. Should I go inside the house? Hold on, first let's check here. Okay. Oh, I got a backpack. Finally. My god. Yes. Why is my character doing this? There you go. Oh, what? Is that? Oh, that's the same one. Oh. Oh, I thought I saw someone. Oh my god. Yes. Oops, did not meant to do that. Let's move that down. Move that right. Just in case. Alright. So now we have a backpack. We don't have a car. We need a car. Really bad. Just to run people over. So, let's go! Why did I just do that? Okay. Oh my god, it's gonna get so annoying. There you go. Oh my god, I'm quiet. Okay, sorry. I'm like really focused. Oh yes, I think I'm level 25. I think. Oh, there's a car. I need a car. Give me the car. Give me the car. Give it. Come on, you can make it. Okay, we should probably start jumping. Alright, come on, let's go. Oh, come on. Who's over here? Come on, let's go. Oh. Someone trying to shoot at me? What the heck? Oh, So this is gonna be annoying. The car's gonna be stopping for some reason. Oh my god. Why is it doing that? So, we haven't killed anyone yet. It's been a long time since I played this game. The shooting range is over there. I'm not that far from the shooting range. Was that someone? Oh, I see someone. Come on, sucker. Oh, freak. Am I down? I'm down! No! God dang it! No! No, we failed! No, winner, chicken dinner. Did I say chicken? I just said chicken dinner. Dang it, we failed. Oh, this is new. Hey, at least I got a B. So we failed. Wow, that guy literally shot us. We were inside the car, he shot us like nothing. Collect these. Open this. Thank you very much. What is this? Oh, was I supposed to go? Oh. Oh, well, that happened. So, we lost. So, this is not gonna be easy as I thought it would be. Ooh. Why you keep on sending me money? Alright, so we're gonna go again. Oh, what's this? I don't know what that is. We're gonna go again. Oh my god. So, we lost. Oh yeah, please go subscribe to my friends. First let me mention the 2K God. We have been friends since kindergarten, so please go subscribe to him. And please go subscribe to my friend Thomas Molina. And just please go subscribe to him. He will help him a lot. So yeah. And also, yeah, I'm gonna be doing double uploads videos, which I'm really excited. So I'm really excited for the double upload, and you guys might like it. Oh, what is this? What the heck? This is cool. Let's go. Why does it do that? Why is it doing that? Oh, does it used to do this? Because I don't remember it doing this. What are those cars? Oh my god, please. Go in circle, go in circle. Go in circle! Dang it, stupid controls. Need to fix it. Oh, that is a car. There's a car down there. Let's go. Ouch. I'm okay. I'm okay. Get in the window. Get in the window. God dang it. Oh my god. Where are the guns? Why is it stopping? It's so annoying when it does that. Oh my god, I could imagine me trying to kill someone when it's doing this. Alright. Oh my god, stop. It's so annoying. Oh! It's a shotgun. Take the gun. Oh my god, this is gonna be so annoying if it's gonna keep on doing this. Oh my god. Get in the window. Oh my god. Am I lagging? Okay, right now this is so annoying. Oh my god. Oh god, I thought I saw someone. We need enough gas cans. Let's go. Come on. Please let there be like a better gun. Okay, so hopefully we find a better gun instead of Yes. Oh, we found a Tommy gun. Oh, we could carry 2 guns? Oh, that's so cool. 3 guns, but it's so cool. Didn't know that. Oh my god! We're in the red zone! We need to go! Oh my god, we're in the red zone! Go, 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 go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's get out of here. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. We need to get out of here. You know, once it explodes, we're dead. Oh my god. Come on. Let's get out of here. Anyone here? Oh. Oh my god. Holy freak. Should we interrupt? Dang it. Come on, let's go. Where are we going? Isn't the shooting range like somewhere? No, what? I don't think I'm close. Am I close? I think it's like somewhere around here. But I don't think I'm close. Holy freak! Nope, just ignore that. Nope, ignore it. Oh freak, is he waiting for me? Oh, that punk is. He's waiting for me. Oh my god. Holy. There's 2 of them? What? Can I shoot? Speed boost. Let's do this. Come on, let's go. Didn't know that has speed boost. Come on. Yeah. Oh my god, my health. I am not safe if I stay outside. Go inside. Oh my god. I haven't played this game in a very long time. Oh, I don't have any other bandages. Oh! Oh my god, there's a backpack! Yes! There's a machete. That's good. Need I guess guy. My god. Oh freak. It's here. Oh freaking. Oh my health. Hold up. We heal. Then I get the health. What am I saying? Come on. You know it's gonna be really bad if I'm outside trying to kill someone. Oh! Got a kill. Oh! Oh, he killed someone. I killed him. Freak, I don't feel safe anymore. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Stop! Oh my god. This is so annoying. Oh my god. Oh. I'll take that. Thank you. Wow, I didn't even need that. I got a backpack. That was me, right? Was that me? Oh my god, my character is being stupid right now. What's that? Oh. Oh my god, this is so annoying. I think it's because my hands are sweating. So, get out of here. Come on, get in the car. Okay. Ouch. Come on! Trying to go. Hey, we killed someone. I have one before. It was like so easy. And quick. Oh my god, dude, this is so annoying. Go. Oh my god. Oh my god, hold up. Oh my god. Don't hit the tree. No more hitting trees. Dang it. If I'm going to be doing 2 videos today, which I'm really excited about. Yesterday I did 2 videos? No. Yeah, I did 2 videos. It was like... Oh yeah, Last Call Survival. It was so funny. When I was playing it, I was talking to like the people they told me to talk to, and then like it just I don't know, they were saying blah 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 blah. That's why I named the title blah 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 blah. That's why it was just wow. I didn't thought that the game was gonna be like that. Oh yes, healing. Oh, freak, this shit. Use the booth. Man. There's 61 people alive. Are these people behind me? What the heck? Oh. Okay, so I'm going to circle. Oh. What the heck? This is weird. Oh, freak. This freak shooting me. Freaking God, no, do not die again. Oh, freak. Oh, freak. It's going down. It is going down. It's going down. Oh, God dang it. I almost run that person over. Oh, freak. Oh, freak. Oh, freak. Oh, freak. Oh, freak. Oh, freak. Run. Run. They're powerful. They're way powerful than me. Oh, my God. Stop. Oh, come on, just heal. What? Oh my God, dude. It's so dumb just the way on how they did it. So dumb. Why is it doing that? Let's go. Okay, so that's a no. Go. Oh God, dude, this thing's so annoying. Holy freak. Oh, freak, they're trying to shoot me. Come on, where are you? Come on. Where are you? But there's 55 people alive. I think the circle is getting small. What was that? Was someone trying to hack my system? What the? Who's trying to hack it? That the circle's getting small and there's a red. Holy freak. Oh freak. Oh freak, it's going down. Oh freak, we gotta go. No. No, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Why are they targeting me? Holy freak. We have to heal. Really? people alive. There's so many of them, and they're literally their circle is getting small. That. Oh, wait, did they broke it? Oh, stay down, stay down, stay down. Oh yes, I need it. Oh my god. I'll take this. Thank you. So the car has broken down. The circle is getting small and there's so many people now. So holy freak. Oh freak. Oh freak. Why is my character stopping? You seriously have to do this right now? Suck on that. Haha. No idea where it's did. But suck on that. Eat my bullets. Oh freak. Take it, take it, take it. Go on. Oh my god. Go. There you go. Oh freak. Oh freak, what the heck? Oh my god, it is going down. Oh my god, dude, this thing is getting so annoying. Please don't let someone shoot me right behind. Let's go. Let's go. God, there's like someone down there. How long have I been recording? 38 minutes I've been recording and someone's already trying to kill me. Oh, freak, I see you. I see him. I shot him, I shot him, I shot him, I shot him. Did I die? Oh my god, I died! That is freaking dumb! Oh my god. Oh my god. We got some good footage. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please leave a like. I'm doing a thumbs up right now. Just please leave a like, and if you guys even care, leave a comment, and please subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.